Today I want to show you how to make Danish rice pudding, or risalamande as we say in Denmark. You draw out the seeds from the vanilla pot. At last, a bit of salt. The porridge needs to cook for 40 minutes, and it's important that you remember to stir while it is cooking. You need to remove the skin from the almonds, so then you boil them in a bit of water. You simply peel off the skin of the almonds. And remember to stir. When you chop the almonds, it's important that you remember to save one whole almond. We got a tradition here in Denmark that the person who gets the almond in the pudding gets an almond present. You add the whole almond just before you serve the pudding. Now it has cooked for 40 minutes, so it needs to get cold. And we add some delicious Danish cream. We make the cream into whipped cream. Now the porridge is cold, so we are ready to mix it all together. It's important that you stir carefully when you turn it around. Remember the almonds. And some sugar. And the almond. You serve it like this, with some cherry sauce. I hope I got the almond. Merry Christmas.